Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going through the Figma interface. Figma is the ultimate tool for creating stunning products and prototypes. In this video, I will guide you through the Figma interface and get you up and running in no time. Let's jump right in. Setting up your Figma account is quick and easy. Simply head over to figma.com. Click Get Started, enter your details, and complete a quick verification activity. And just like that, you're ready to unleash your creativity. Now that you're logged in, let's take a tour of the Figma interface. At first glance, it might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. Starting with frames, which are like containers for your designs. Think of them as artboards in Sketch or Illustrator. You can easily create a frame by pressing F or selecting the frame tool from the toolbar. When you need to navigate around, simply hold down the spacebar and drag with the hand tool. Let's add some text to our design. Press T to select the text tool. Click anywhere on the canvas and type in your text. In our case, let's go with sign in, and don't forget to press escape to exit the text tool. Now let's give our text a stylish button to sit on. Press R to select the rectangle tool and draw a button-shaped rectangle around your text. And just like that, you've created a simple yet effective design element. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've started to master the Figma interface. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy designing.